this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, August 17, 2021. And before we get started here, just wanted to remind you guys, today after the close, we'll be hosting a webinar about our auto trading program. So that's going to be today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. So once you get done trading, you can head over and join us. It'll be probably about an hour long, and we'll be going over what our auto trading program is, the performance results of it. We'll have Ryan Fox from the Fox Group. He's the president of the Fox Group, which is our execution broker. He'll be joining us, so you can ask questions about how the account works over there. And we'll be hanging around to answer any other questions you may have at the end. So that's going to be today after the close. And if you go to InvestiQuant.com/webinar, you can fill out this form and you will get the link to attend it this afternoon. The link will also be below the video here on YouTube. So that is after the close. Join us if that sounds like something you would be interested in. All right, let's hop into Discover and take a look at today's study for the Daily IQ. And what we're going to be looking at today is another seasonality-based study based upon the week of options expiration day. So options expiration day is on Friday. This is Tuesday of options expiration week. And that's what we're going to be looking at, is what has happened historically on Tuesday of OPEX week in a similar market environment with a similar opening location. So I've got all four instruments selected. The setup's based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now, currently, we are trading lower, and I'm going to add that to the study here by going to the opening filters, gap direction, and clicking gap down. So I've got that selected. Next, I'm going to put us in a bull market environment. We are above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average with yesterday's strong close. And then I'm going to go into the calendar library. I'm going to say that today is Tuesday. So that's here, day of the week. I'm going to hit equals next to Tuesday. And lastly, I'm going to go to the market events section. And from the active today, I'm going to grab this week of OPEX. It's that bottom option there. It comes from the market events. It's actually down at the very bottom of that list here, the very last one. So that's now selected. And this concludes everything that we need for this study. And I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, when you gap down on OPEX Tuesday in a bull market environment. Historically, we've got 64 samples in the S&P, 58 in the NASDAQ, 63 in the Dow, 53 in the Russell. Win rates on these are a little bit mixed, with the S&P being the strongest of the group. The S&P coming in at 61% of these have closed above the open for the day. For the NASDAQ, it's more neutral, 52%, the Dow 54%, and the Russell 55%. So a little bit favored on some of them, and the NASDAQ being the most neutral of the group there with the win rate. And then if we look at the average moves, they are all favoring either equal size average moves or larger average wins. So the S&P has a larger average win compared to its average loss. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow has a larger average win, and then the Russell's the one that's more neutral, where they're pretty similar in size. So historically speaking, the win rates haven't been all that great on all four of them. They've been decent on the S&P, but even when they're not, the moves have been a little bit bigger to the upside on average. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.